Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video, and I have $50 and two $5 bills for us savings bills. And I think I made the decision to let this for now put a pause on my mini savings, because you know I love my mini savings, and I'm going to do build a bank. Yes, I am. I'm going to do build a bank, give that a shot, and then we will resume back to mini savings. I don't know when, but we are going to get build a bank a chance. Yes, we are. So I can't wait. So the plan is to close out this mini savings and complete as many as I can, and put that towards my revolving sinking fund. So 5. And I'm excited. I can't wait to start build a bank. I have been setting up my binder, which I was going to record, but yeah, that it took some. Took me some time to get everything like set up, and I can't wait to show you guys. But I am excited. Okay, 5, 3, 2, 2, 2, 6, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, and the last 2 bills, 2. Wow, 2. All right, so let's see. All right, should we do this one? Let's do this one last, because this one has way more icons. You know what? Let me get my calculator, because I want to add up how much I saved for the month. Hold on. Okay. Man, I didn't have to go too far, you know. So let me see. This one's created by Budget with Carly, and he got a savings boost, and he got 5, 6, 7, 8. So each one is $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to wait and see if I can close this one out with more money. Oops. All right, this one got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16 so far. I'm going to set that to the side. And this one is created by NASA Budgets. And today, it only need 4. And today, got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. So 2, 4. And it should be $24. Yes, so 20 and 4. So good. I'm just going to put this back in here because I forgot my paper clips. So that one is completed. Boom. Next one we have is created by Bookish Mama Budget, and this one got a lot of money. Well, this number 2, I think so. And they only need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and $2 left over. Let me put that right here, put that there, that there. So I'm not even gonna bother coloring this. So it should be 32, 12, and 20. Yes, that's 32. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What? Oh my gosh. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2. Goodness, $32. So this one is completed, and I already wrote on the back where this is going. Like, this is going to back to school, so I already wrote on there where those are going into my revolving sinking fund. So that's 2 down. And this one is created by Potter. What is this? If you watched my last video, I was talking that I got my first pumpkin spice latte of the season today, and oh my goodness, I am like hyper. I need to bring it down. So this is created by Party Planner Papery. Each vote is $2 and it needs 2, 4, 6, 8. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. 7, 8. Oh, did it actually get 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, it did. 2, 4, 6, 8. So that should be $22. This is perfect closing out the month. I was kind of worried. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, $22. And remember, I still got my $2 here in the bank. Hopefully we can finish. Where's this one going? This one is going to home. So that's going to my home. Sinking funds. Did I tell you what the first one's going to? This one is going to my daughter, Michaela. So this one is created by Budget with Carly. Each stamp is $2 and it needs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Uh-oh. I think we can get there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh my goodness, the dice was in my favor today. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Wait, do we need 14? Oh my gosh. Oh, what did I? Oh my god. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Oh my goodness. So we gonna take them $2 from that bank and make it 14. Oh gosh. So we should have 24, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Yes, $24. Oh, Gems, are you laughing at me? Yes, this is a hot mess. So that one is completed. All right. Now, so what I'm thinking is, because this one still needs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. We only got $4. I think I should put this $4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I think I'm doing. I'm cheating a little bit. I'm gonna put these $4 over here so I can just close this one out too. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one is going. Did I tell you guys what this one going to? This one is going to James. That's my son. So that's James. And then this one is going to subscriptions. And I'm adding the $4, so it should be 20. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes, $20. And that's subscriptions. All right. And so the only one I didn't finish was this one. And this one is going, oh, I didn't even put where it was going. Wait. Each one was $2. So he got $4. So that's okay. We didn't get to finish this one from Doodle Dollars, but that is okay. So let's add up, because I have these, and then I have my completed challenges here that I have finished throughout the month. So let's see how much I saved for the month of August. So we got the $4 here, and we got 24 here. 24. This one is 22. This one is 32. And this one is 20. This one, I already put going to utilities. So this is 30. This one is going to birthday. This is 24. This one is going to back to school, 35. This one is going to my son. That's 20. This one is going towards my daughter, another 20. And this one is going to back to school. Ooh, that is wonderful. So for the month of August, I was able to save $287 from my revolving sinking funds. Yay! So now I am going to be able to put money towards build a bank. So stay tuned. Thank you so much, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.